So Huda took control of Huda Beauty again. She made her brand completely private. And honestly, as someone working a full time corporate job while chasing creative dreams, this move hit home for me. I mean, I have loved her brand so much. Today, I will dedicate this entire video to Huda Beauty. I will be using all the Huda products I have. I was most excited for this Huda Beauty Easy Bake that we all know and we are all a fan of. I'm just very late to the party, and you can see I have not even unpacked this beautiful piece of concealer yet because I was saving it for this video, or I was actually saving it for something special, and the timing of Huda dropping this bomb news was just so right. Also, one of my favorite products, this is a Mercury retrograde palette. Forgive the condition of this. I have this on for a long time now, and I just can't get rid of it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Huda built her brand from scratch. Over the years, investors came in, but that also meant that she had to share control. Now in 2025, she has officially bought out her investors and has regained a full control. It just wasn't a business move, it was about protecting her visions, values, and that kind of courage, it's rare. I'm currently working a corporate job, but I also have a deep love for makeup, creating content, and the dream of wanting to build something on my own. It's not easy balancing everything. There are days when I feel like I'm stuck between two lives, one that's paying me and the one that literally lights me up every time I do this. And then I see someone like Huda to make a bold move to realign with the purpose. It reminds me that it's okay to dream even while juggling. Watching that unfold pushed me to sit down and really ask myself, what do I want to create? What does success look like to me? I mean, of course, I have taken the first step towards, doing what I love, that is makeup. I discovered this pretty much very late in my life, and I regret that this came to me though so late, but I wish I had realized this earlier. And I mean, it's fine. I have started building my vision board, and it looks like makeup ideas, content ideas, more videos, and of course the inspiration to to do something like Huda, so I can contribute a little to inspire people to actually follow what they love. This move by Huda actually has reminded me that my job isn't my final destination. I know it's only made me realize that this is what I love, and it's brought me a step closer. While I tell that, I want you to see a closer look while I swatch one of my favorite shades here. This is called Ultraviolet, and I love how it look on my eye. Can you see that? Wow. If you are also in a 9 to 5 and you feel like you're stuck or your dreams are on hold, then girl, I feel you. Maybe we don't have to choose between one or the other, right? Maybe just staying consistent is the key. Taking little steps towards what you want and why you want it is much more important in my opinion. So thank you, Huda, for showing us what it means to take ownership of your dreams. And today, right here, I confess that my next dream on my vision board is to meet you personally and to thank you for leading the way, for showing us how it can be done, and why we should never ever stop dreaming. And to you watching, tell me in the comments, what dream are you holding on to while you're managing everything like a queen or a king? If this spoke to you at any level, then like, share, and subscribe. Listen, I'm figuring it out too. I'd love it if we could do this together and grow together. Bye.